To crop an image in Photoshop, we use the crop tool. I will select it from the toolbox. You can also select the crop tool by pressing the C key. As soon as you select the crop tool, Photoshop places a cropping border around the image. The easiest way to crop your image is to click and drag the handles to reshape the border. But if you want to keep the original aspect ratio of your image, press and hold the Shift key as you drag any of the corner handles. If you want to resize the border from its center, press and hold the Alt key as you drag the handles. The area inside the border is what you will be keeping, and the area outside it will be cropped away. You can also click and drag inside the border to reposition the image inside it. You can also use the crop tool to crop your image to a specific size and resolution. To do that, open the aspect ratio menu and then choose width, height, and resolution option. And then type in those values. Now we can confirm the cropping by pressing the Enter key, or we can cancel it by pressing the Escape key. So let's press Enter and crop the image. Sometimes we may have a distorted image that needs to be straightened. So if that's the case, choose the crop tool by pressing the C key and then choose the straighten tool here at the top. Then look for something in your image that's straight. And then click on one end, keep your mouse button held down and drag over to the other end. Photoshop draws a path between the 2 points and it uses this path to determine the angle that the image needs to be rotated. And then release the mouse button and Photoshop straightens the image. And then go ahead and press the Enter key to accept it. And that is how you crop and straighten images inside Photoshop.